Welcome to the Thermo Flex Duct Saddle Installation Guide. To install the Thermo saddles, you will need the following tools: a box cutter or snips, hanging strap, a stapler, and a ladder. Thermo saddles are the ideal accessories to help properly support insulated flex duct by minimizing pinching and compression. They also promote proper airflow, which increases the overall R value of the system. There are a number of ways to install flex duct, but for this demonstration, we will be hanging them between the joists. First, cut a piece of hanging strap slightly longer than the joist length and thread through the saddle, making sure the strap overlaps the printed side. You can use any common hanging strap up to 3 inches wide. Multiple saddles can be linked together to accommodate any size of flex duct. Next, attach one side of the hanging strap to the inside of the joist and secure it in place. Line up the opposite side of the strap, ensuring the saddle is recessed and not sagging below the joist, and secure it in place. Pull the flex duct through the saddle and repeat the installation process every 4 feet as necessary. The Thermo saddle is a simple, lightweight accessory that alleviates common issues when installing insulated flex duct. Subscribe to our channel for more installation guides and new product releases.